Welcome. This video provides instructions on how to use the home page of the Remote GP website for managing generators. To begin, point your browser to the login page located at www.remote-gp.com. Submit your user ID, and then submit your password, and then click on the Sign In button. The website will automatically display the home page. The home page provides a dashboard view of the status of the fleet. The home page is divided into three working sections. The information table in the center of the page is used for managing the fleet on a day-to-day basis. The control buttons at the top of the page are used for managing the website. That includes things like creating a specific asset description for each generator, creating new user accounts, setting up the alert notification system, and more. At the bottom of the page, a series of buttons can specify options such as receiving monthly reports, options for displaying the locations of the generators on different types of maps, and options for exporting the homepage data. Each of those functions are described in other training videos. Right now, let's focus on the information table. Reading from left to right, the first column provides a select box to display one or more generators on a map. The second column provides a select option to highlight a particular row. This is important for large fleets when you might need to scroll up and down to find particular units. The next few columns provide descriptive information about each generator. This descriptive information is managed by the system administrator. It includes details such as asset type, a very specific asset description for each generator, a unit ID, a branch ID, and a space for user notes. Anytime a user submits a note, it will remain visible for other users who access the website. The note will remain visible until somebody deletes it or edits it or changes it. Beginning with the column titled Last Report Date, the website starts pushing dynamic updates to us. It'll specify the date and time that each unit sent its most recent message. It'll specify the name of the job site if the generator is located at a specified job site. The next three columns provide usage information, including total engine run hours, plus a breakdown of how many of those total engine run hours were accumulated for exercise operations and how many were accumulated for outage operations. The next two columns provide reminders about when each machine is due for service, based upon its calendar date or based upon engine run hours. The utilization column displays each generator's usage over the last 12 weeks. By the way, this column and many others are sortable. By clicking on the column header, the website will automatically rearrange the display from low to high, and clicking on it again will give a reverse sort showing from high to low. The next three columns provide the really essential data: status of utility power coming to the building, status of power within the building, and generator status. Now, if the generator is suffering from any sort of fault, it will be highlighted. In this case, we're seeing it in red. If we click on the field, we can see the exact nature of the problem. In this case, it is a low battery. Returning to the home page, the very next column shows the battery voltage for each generator in the fleet. And again, this is a sortable column. By clicking on the column header, we reverse the display. The next two columns provide information about the tank level. The tank information is available via an optional fuel level sensor. The last three columns allow us to drill down for details, including utilization reports, the messaging history, and the asset control button for interacting with the remote monitoring device. This pretty much concludes the overview of the home page. Each of these other functions are described in other training videos. Tune into this channel for more information. Thank you.